Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking the image you want and placing it where you can find it fast. Choose a high-resolution file that matches your display aspect ratio so it won't stretch. Once done, open File Explorer, navigate to the image, and right-click the file to reveal options. Make sure you have permission to change the desktop if using a work PC. If the image is compressed, extract it first. These steps get you immediately ready to apply the wallpaper without hunting for files. Now apply the image and control how it appears. Right-click and pick Set as Desktop Background for a quick change, or open Settings Personalization Background for more control. In Personalization, choose Fill, Fit, Stretch, Tile, Center, or Span so the image displays without distortion. Fill is usually best for full-screen photos. If you have multiple monitors, select which monitor gets the image or use Span to stretch across displays. Make sure display scaling or orientation won't crop important parts of the picture. Finish by confirming the new background and adjusting lock screen or slideshow options if desired. If the wallpaper keeps reverting, check OneDrive or Windows Sync settings and disable any wallpaper managing apps. On work machines, group policy can override your choice, so contact IT if needed. Clear the thumbnail cache or restart Explorer if the image fails to update visually. As a quick test, sign into a different local account or create a temporary user.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.